Ready to learn a new English tongue twister? Let's go! Today, we're learning tongue twister, he threw 3 balls. He threw 3 balls. He threw 3 balls. He threw 3 balls. Practice time! Repeat the following tongue twister 1, 2, and then 3 times. I'll go first, and then you'll repeat after me. Ready? Let's go! Listen up! He threw 3 balls. Your turn now. Say the tongue twister 1 time. Listen up. He threw 3 balls. He threw 3 balls. He threw 3 balls. He threw 3 balls. Your turn now. Say the tongue twister twice in a row. Listen up! Now we're going to say the tongue twister 3 times as fast as we can. Ready? Let's go! He threw 3 balls. 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 Great job, everyone! Keep practicing! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Bawana for more videos that make learning English easy.